Hey everybody, it's Bruce with Olive Branch. I wanted to show you this week's progress and update of kind of what we got going on inside. So why don't you guys follow me in and I'll show you what we got. So right now we're in this front living room. We're not doing much work in here, but we have demoed some walls that are behind me, you'll see. But we've opened up this whole back half of the house. The framers are here today. We're opening up the exterior walls and getting everything pushed out for the new addition. So why don't you come in, let's go show you what we got going on. Hey, so you can see we're outside right now. The addition's going on behind me. The framers are flying through it. Before you know it, we're gonna have walls up, roof over, and then we're gonna be sheeted in and we're gonna be dried in so we can get all the interior fun pieces going. It's gonna be great. So I hope you guys checked out the videos. I hope you're liking them so far. We have a lot more coming your way with this project. So if you want to check us out on Facebook, you can, or also on olivebranchcontracting.com. Thanks so much for checking us out. Have a great one.